Yes. Welcome to Web Automation Testing using Selenium and Python Part 5. In this tutorial, we will learn how to handle drop-downs in Selenium with Python. Drop-downs are the most common elements which we encountered while automating any web page. They look the trickiest one, but they are easy to automate just by using the single command. Drop-downs can be automated by using select command. There are three ways of using select command. Dot select by visible text, dot select by value, dot select by index. So let me show you that how we can use these methods to automate the drop downs. Here I'm using Facebook site. Just click on this button. Here is a sign up page. Here are three drop downs. Before jump into the sign up page, you need to automate this button like this. Here I automated this button. Just click on this. Here are three drop downs. Let's suppose you need to automate your date of birth, like day 20, month July, year 2018. So I'm going to inspect here. As you can see, under the select tag, this is the visible text or actual text which is written on the option, and this is the assigned value to that option. In this, index is not used as it is rarely used. Even in this tutorial, I'm covering only two methods: dot select by visible text, dot select by value. So let me show you that how we can automate the dropdown by using select by visible text. Just copy the name of this dropdown, copy, and paste it here. Paste it here. Now let's use the select command to automate the drop down. Before you use the select command, you need to import the select package here. Select day dot select by visible text and pass the actual text, that is 20. Let's give a time sleep. Next, we are going to select the month. Click inspect. Copy the ID of the month. Here I'm using select by value. That how we can automate the dropdown by using select by value. So you need to select the July month. Just go to this. Let's see the option July. Here is the value of July. Copy this. Copy and paste it here. Let's give a time sleep. Select the year as well. Side, inspect. Copy the name. Paste it here. Select year dot select by visible text, that is 2018. Time dot sleep. Great. Let's run the code. Dot select dot py. Let's see the result here. It is 20, July 2018 will come. Yeah. So this is the only command that we require to select the option from any kind of drop down. Hope you liked the video. If you have any query, please leave the comment below, and thank you for watching.